Hello students, continuation of exercise 18. Now I am doing sum number 11. A square plus 7ab plus 12b square by a square minus b square. This is division sign. A plus 4b by a minus b. You know, in case of simplification you have done in arithmetic, in fractional simplification in arithmetic you have done, if there is division sign, okay, then we have to change this sign by multiplication sign and the fraction will be inverted. Clear? So here first step, what I do, first term write same 7ab plus 12b square, and here I can do a square minus b square. I can apply formula a plus b into a minus b. There is division sign, it will be multiplication, and that fraction will be inverted. Clear? Now see, these and these will be cancelled out. Here we have to do middle term. What is there? 12. What are the factors of 12? 12 into 1, 2 6 are 12, 4 3s are 12. Clear? Now you have to find out which one are the suitable factors by which we can get the middle term. In middle there is 7. So if I take 2 6 are 12, 2 and 6. Now all are positive sign. So if I add 2 plus 6, 8, 7 is not coming. Clear? 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 7 not coming. So what to take? 3 4s are 12, 3 plus 4 7. Clear? So here you will take 4ab plus 3ab middle term plus 12b square, and denominator a plus b, and here we have 1 by a plus 4b. There is, it is cancelled out, so 1 is there. Clear? Then next, then you know in middle term what you do, you take common. Here what is common? Only a common. So there is a square, a is left, and there is 3b plus, from these two 3b common. So a plus, sorry, there will be 4b, not 3b, 4 is there, and 3b common, so a plus 4b, and denominator a plus b into 1 by a plus 4b. And in middle term, what thing you can, one point is there, you can check yourself that your middle term factor is correct or not. This one and this one will come same. If it will come different, then you will check your sum. Okay? It will come same always. Now a plus 4b, take common, then here it is left a and there is left 3b, and denominator a plus b into 1 by a plus 4b. Now there is multiplication sign, so you can cancel in this way. So it is coming in numerator there is a plus 3b, and denominator there is a plus b. Clear? This is your simplified form. Number 14 you can do yourself by using middle term factor. Number 12 also you can do yourself. Now, okay, number 13 I am doing. So you have to practice in all the sums here. You have noticed that I am using middle term factor in most of the sums. So that chapter you practice properly, middle term factor. Number 13, x plus y by x minus 2y into x square minus xy plus y square by x plus 2y into x square minus 4y square by x cube plus y cube. So here nothing to do, here also nothing to do, only last term we have to apply formula. So copy previous two terms. This we can write now x square minus 2y whole square. 4y square is there, so we can write 2y whole square. And this is x cube plus y cube. What is the formula? Okay, next step I will write down the formula together. It is a square minus b square form. So a plus b into a minus b. And denominator a cube plus b cube, you know, a plus b x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So in this sum we have not applied any middle term factor. Here cubic formula as a square minus b square formula. Now see what we can cancel, x plus y, x plus y. This whole expression, this whole factor. X plus 2y, very good, x plus 2y. This is also this. So nothing is there. So when I checked the copies, I have noticed that up to this you have done properly, it is okay. And after that you write this. No factor is there, you write 0. But this is wrong. Clear? There will be 1. Whole is cancelled out, answer will be 1, not 0. Be careful about that. Not 0, it will be 1. Then I am doing one easy sum, number 16. P minus 1 by 9p divided by 1 plus 1 by 3p. It may come in SAQ type. So here you take the LCM, 9p. So it is coming 9p square minus 1 divided by, take LCM, 3p. It is an interesting sum but easy. Now there is division sign and there is 3p. Okay, afterwards we will do that. Minus 9 by 9p, change it to multiplication sign, it will be inverted 3p plus 1. Now it is 9p square minus 1 means 3p whole square minus 1 square. So we can write 3p plus 1 into 3p minus 1 a square by minus b square by 9p into 3p by 3p plus 1. This and this cancel out, pp cancel out, 3 3s are 9. So your answer is coming 3p minus 1 by 3. This is the answer. In SAQ type it may come. Now next one you will get in next video.